Ramadan is a month of fasting, a month of spiritual reflection and self-discipline for Muslims. During this holy month, millions of Muslims around the world abstain from food and drink from dawn to sunset. Fasting during Ramadan has been shown to have many health benefits that have been confirmed scientifically. However, there are some common mistakes that people make during Ramadan that can prevent them from experiencing these health benefits. In this video, we'll list a few health benefits of fasting in Ramadan. Then we'll also explain the common mistakes that you should avoid if you want to enjoy these health benefits. But first, have you subscribed to Nutrina yet? We help you make the right decision about what to eat and how to eat for good health by sharing scientifically accurate food tips and facts. Kindly subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you will know whenever we upload a new video. And remember to drop us a like. Okay, let's get back. Health benefits of fasting Ramadan. 1. In addition to the spiritual benefits, research has shown that Ramadan fasting can improve various health markers such as blood pressure level, blood glucose level, and cholesterol level. Ramadan fasting has been shown to reduce these health markers to an average level in some diabetic patients when compared to the level it was before Ramadan. And although fasting in Ramadan is safe for healthy individuals, those with metabolic and other chronic diseases are recommended to consult their physicians before fasting. 2. It promotes weight loss. Several research has shown a consistent reduction in weight and fat mass with the Ramadan fast, especially in people who are overweight or obese. This weight loss is attributed to a decrease in caloric intake and an increase in physical activity during the non-fasting hours. Although it's been noted that the reduction in fat mass is usually transient and people usually regain the weight a few weeks after Ramadan, despite that, this benefit still suggests that Ramadan fasting could be used as a starting point for the weight loss journey of obese individuals. 3. It strengthens the immune system. Studies have shown that Ramadan fasting improves the immune system and also supports the ability of the body to fight certain cancer cells. 4. It improves longevity. Ramadan fasting has been attributed to an increased lifespan, especially in individuals who continue some form of fasting after the month has ended. This is because fasting has been shown to delay the onset of diseases such as autoimmune diseases, atherosclerosis, cancer, diabetes, renal diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, and respiratory diseases. But as interesting as these health benefits are, not everyone who fasts during Ramadan will enjoy them. Some people might even be negatively impacted by fasting Ramadan, and this is usually because they indulge in some mistakes. Here are the common mistakes to avoid when fasting Ramadan. 1. Do not skip sahur. Sahur is the food eaten just before daybreak. It is a meal that provides the body with healthy nutrients and water to keep one active throughout the day. Some people skip sahur thinking that it will help them lose weight or make the fast easier. But skipping sahur can lead to dehydration and lack of energy during the day. Although it might be true that a few people are able to fast by consuming very little food during sahur, but for most people, this can lead to dehydration, low blood sugar levels, and fatigue during the day. Therefore, it's important to eat a meal before dawn to maintain energy levels and avoid health problems. 2. Do not overeat during sahur and iftar. Although we've said it's important to eat during sahur, but eating too much food during the early time of the day can be bad for you. And it's also the same with eating excess food at iftar, which is the evening meal we break our fast with. Overeating during sahur and iftar can cause digestive problems and can also lead to weight gain and a decrease in energy levels during the day. Instead, to enjoy the health benefits of fasting Ramadan, focus on eating a balanced and healthy diet during all your eating times. 3. Avoid dehydration by taking enough fluid. When fasting, it's important to keep yourself well hydrated throughout the day. And this can be achieved by drinking fluids such as herbal tea, coconut water, and water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumber during your non-fasting hours. But still, the best fluid to help you stay hydrated is water. So you should try to drink enough water during your non-fasting hours. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, which can cause headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. And although you are not allowed to eat or drink during the fasting hours, you could still keep yourself fairly hydrated by using a humidifier or taking a shower. But just make sure you don't take a sip of water when showering. 4. Avoid excessive physical activity. There's usually this common question of, can I exercise when fasting? And the answer is usually a mixed one, with some saying yes and others saying no. But the truth is, while physical activity can be beneficial for overall health and well-being, engaging in excess physical activity while fasting can put additional stress on your body and increase the risk of dehydration. Excessive physical activity can also cause fatigue, muscle cramps, dizziness, and even fainting. It's important to remember that fasting during Ramadan is meant to be a time of spiritual reflection and self-discipline, and excessive physical activity can detract from this. Instead, you can engage in moderate physical activity such as light walking, stretching, or yoga. 5. Avoid high fat and high sugar foods. Fats and sugar are a good source of energy for the body, but consuming high fat and high sugar foods when fasting can prevent you from enjoying the health benefits of fasting. This is because when fasting, the body enters a state of ketosis. This is when the fat that's stored in the body breaks down and converts into ketones, which can then be used as an energy source. This process allows the body to burn fat and lose weight, which can lead to improvement in overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Consuming high fat and high sugar foods can interfere with this process by providing excess calories that the body doesn't need, leading to the storage of excess fat and an increase in blood sugar levels. And this is why it's important to focus on consuming a balanced diet during Ramadan. Try including a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats to ensure that the body is getting the necessary nutrients for energy and optimal health. And as you avoid these mistakes, your body will be more able to enjoy the benefits of fasting this holy month and improve your overall well-being. And there you have it. If you have any questions, contributions, or suggestions of other topics we should treat, let us know in the comment section below. And be sure to watch other videos on our channel to learn more about how your foods can help you get healthier.